Hello again and welcome to another Got Math video tutorial. I am Ms. Foss and today we're going to talk about algebraic proofs. Many geometry students fear doing proofs, but the truth is you've kind of been doing proofs in algebra all along. Examining algebraic proofs is a great way to learn how to do geometric proofs. As a geometry teacher, I can tell you that students seem to struggle the most when doing proofs. So this might be a good time to take out your notepad and pencil and take some notes. Today we will look at 3 different types of proofs, algebraic properties to use in your proofs, how to complete a 2-column proof, and how working on an algebraic proof can help you with a geometric proof. The 3 different types of proofs are a paragraph proof, a flow proof, and a formal 2-column proof. A paragraph proof is just what it sounds like, a paragraph that details how to solve something. Let's look at an example. Here you can see the equation that we're going to solve. If I were to write the solution out in paragraph form, first I would talk about distributing the 2, then combining like terms to simplify the expression, and last I would divide 12 by 6 to get x by itself. A flow proof is similar to a paragraph proof, but it looks more like a flow chart. You write out the actual steps individually and add reasons why you did each step. Let's do a flow proof using the same equation as before. The first thing you want to write is the equation and the word given as its reason, because that's the information you're given. Then we use the distributive property, the subtraction property of equality, and finally division property of equality to get our final answer. Why don't you take some time and review the algebraic properties that you need to use in a flow proof and also a 2-column proof. You should probably write these down in your notes. I won't go through these one at a time, but I suggest you pause the video and write all these down. And here are some more properties that you should know. The last 2 aren't used as often, but jot them down just in case. So now let's put all of this together and write a 2-column proof. A 2-column proof obviously has 2 columns. In the first column you put your statements, and in the second column you put your reasons or explanations. Here's the setup for a 2-column proof. Be sure to number your statements and explanations so they align. First, you write the given information on the first line, with the explanation being given. This is the same for all proofs. Then list the steps you take to solve the problem, along with the reasons why you do each step. Here's a slightly more complicated example. Notice that you can use the same reason or explanation for different steps. Simplify is the reason that you use when you combine like terms. Now it's your turn to try. I've given you a 2-column proof with the statements. Try filling in the explanations. You might want to pause the video while you work. Welcome back. Let's see how you did. Your explanation should be given, distribution property, simplify, subtraction property of equality, and last division property of equality. How did you do? Do you think you're ready to try one on your own? I've started you off with the given information. This time you need to do both the statements and the explanations. Pause the video to give yourself some more time to complete this problem. I'll help you out with a little hint and let you know there are 4 more steps. Here's the solution for the problem. First, use the addition property to add x to both sides and then simplify to combine like terms. Then use subtraction property, and last divide by 5, which is the division property of equality, to get your final answer of 6. The steps we take for algebraic proofs is pretty much the same as for geometric proofs. The logic format, properties, and organization is almost exactly the same. You'll be using the properties of congruence, similarity, theorems, and postulates in your geometric proofs, so keep a list of these. Thanks so much for watching, and if you need more help, come talk to a teacher in tutoring. Tutors are available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Thursday, and until 5 p.m. on Friday. Hope to see you there.